Hello everyone, welcome back to Brasimalus. This time we are going to install the dash cam on Hilux 2025. So let's install the dash cam in this is Hilux Rogue 2025 model. First we need to access the fuse box. The fuse box is in the passenger side seat, passenger side dash, under the dash. So what we are going to do now, first remove this panel from here. You can just pull from here. I just removed it already, so you can just take it from all the side from here, so you can easily remove this. Then you have a small screw over here. This is a side panel, so you can have you can see a small screw over here. Just rotate and remove that one, and then you can easily take this side. Okay, remove that one. The next one was to remove the glove box. I actually already removed the glove box. So what you need to do, if you open the glove box, on the side you get one screw. I'll show you when I fix it back. So you have to just pull this side screw, and then you can remove that one. There's another, there's an attacher here in the side. You have to remove that as well. I'll show you when I do this fixing it back. So after that, you can see here is the fuse box actually. So to access that, we need to go underneath here. So we remove this panel here, which is actually below the dash. So if you see this, there are some small clamps here. So just remove those one by one. There are four. One over here, second, third, and fourth. So just press the clip here and then pull downwards, just like this. Okay, that should easily come up. Now easily you can access all the fuse box over here. Okay, so let's see now how to fix it. Okay, so this is the fuse diagram. So I just checked with multimeter. So this is two things what we are going to use. For the battery, always battery connection for the camera, we use the turn hazard here, 10 amps, and for the ACC we use this 10 amps here, safety lock and ACC. These two fuses we'll be using for connecting to the camera. Okay, so this is the fuse we wanted, fuse connection we wanted. So we'll be using this one for connecting to the fuse box. Okay, so we just inserted the fuse to the fuse connectors. Now this is the controller, the voltage controller. So you can see the voltage controller. So this is actually 12-volt battery, so I need to cut this when the battery is 12 volts. So we just need to adjust this here. If you see this, we have the control here to adjust this. Okay, now we'll connect the fuse to the connector, and then we'll connect to the fuse box. Okay, so this is now connected. As I said, one was connected to the 10 amps fuse over there, and the second one here are the 10 amps fuse, as I mentioned in the fuse box diagram. So the earth is connected here. You can see the nut here. So the earth is connected here. So all these connections are now done. Now let's connect the camera and check it. And here, so I made the cutoff at 12 volt. So you can see the second one is pressed. It means it is 12 volt cutoff. So just connected just connected the camera. So the camera is linked to emergency video. So the camera and the configuration description, everything is there in the other videos. You can refer for more details on that one. Emergency video. I'm not going through the camera setup and everything. You can see the other videos. Emergency video. But now just connected here. Can see everything is okay. The camera started working. Emergency now video. We'll wire the camera. Okay, so since the airbag is going all the way up, So what we did is we removed the side panel. So what we did, there was two screws here, so we removed those two screws. There was 11 mil screw you needed, I mean the spanner you needed. Remove those two and then remove this panel. Now we'll pull the cable to up. Okay, so now the cable goes like this without disturbing the airbag. Okay, so it comes over here. This is all good. Now we can close all of these things. Okay, so it's all wired now. The camera is fixed here now. So we'll do the reverse cam now. Before that, I'll just close everything here. Okay, so the reverse cam line is also gone like this. So it's gone all the way through this beading here. The rubber beading goes over here, and then all the way there. So it's going through this beading. If you see this, it is going all the way here in the beading, and here there is an SRS airbag. So what I did, I just removed from here. I just put a small wire like this. So this one I put through this hole, and then I took it from here and I put the cable through actually behind the SRS airbag. So the cable is pulled, put it through here and then put it behind the airbag, and then it goes all the way here. And I need to still fix the camera. It's just here. I'll fix it later on. Now I'm going to fix everything, putting it back. So I just inserted the first cover here. Then I'll put this side here, then the glow box, and then the side panel. Okay. Okay, so the back camera is also fixed now. You can see all the cables. As I said, it came through here and then went back side of the airbag, and then cables comes through this and fix the camera here. So it looks all good now. Front is here and the back is fixed there, so it looks all good.